remembering Ransome and Marles on the 83rd anniversary. We'll go down and see some graves from Ransome and Marles. There's 6 buried here. Arthur Worrell, killed by enemy action, 7th of March 1941, age 31. Wilfred Evelyn Andrew, killed by enemy action, age 39, and his wife. Thomas Hardy, who was killed in Ransome and Marles. Gladys Cummings, age 21, killed by enemy action at Ransome and Marles on the 7th of March 1941. Edwin Martin, killed by enemy action, age 46. George Harold Henry and Adams, killed by enemy action. John Henry Green, the 11th Nottinghamshire Home Guard, age 55, was killed. He's buried with his wife. Rest in peace. Here's Ernest Beale, who was killed at Ransome and Marles, age 27. He was insured foresters. Rest in peace. Nora Trueblood, rest in peace. James Hanger, rest in peace from Ransome and Marles. Edna Cotton, rest in peace. William Packwood, rest in peace. Glade, Robert Glade, rest in peace. Reginald Senior, rest in peace. William Warner, rest in peace, age 51, killed at Ransome and Marles, rest in peace. Robert Mansdale Grant, Chris Grant's father, aged 57, the former mayor of Newark, Chris Grant, father, rest in peace. Claude Martin, rest in peace, found his grave.